This is the teacher preview for the Google Slides product One More, One Less, and we're working with the numbers 80 through 100. For all of my Google Slides, I do make a direction video for the students, and they'll have to click play, and then they can see me manipulating my screen and showing them exactly what they need to do. So in this resource, there are 20 practice slides, and it works with all of the numbers 80 through 100. The first thing they need to do is find it on the number line here, so they're just going to click and drag it over top of the number that is seen in the circle. So for this slide, we're working with the number 93. Then they're going to use this number line to help them figure out one less and one more. So if they're going to do one less, they're going to find 93 and hop one down. That number is 92, so they're going to double click and type 92 on their keyboard. Then they're going to follow the arrow down and answer the subtraction sentence. 93 minus 1 equals, and they just did that on the number line, so then they can type in 92 again. Then they'll go to one more. 93 on the number line, one more is 94. They're going to double click and type in 94, and then come down and answer the addition sentence. 93 plus 1 is 94. And I'll go through and show you the other 19 slides here. And as you can see, it's the same format. It's just going through all of the numbers randomly from 80 to 100. At the end, you will find an answer key. You can print this out on a piece of paper and have it next to you as you're grading, or just put it up on another computer. Just don't forget to delete this before you assign it to your students.